Congratulations on purchasing your new Polar CS600X, and thank you for choosing Polar to help you achieve your goal. This is a quick video that will show you mostly everything you need to know to get started in just a few minutes. For a deeper look into the functionality of the CS600X, a video tutorial and complete user manual can be found at polarusa.com/support. When you open the package for the first time, you will see the cycling computer, bicycle mount, heart rate strap and transmitter, speed sensor and mounting hardware, I.R.D.A. USB adapter and ProTrainer 5 software for downloading your ride data, and user manual. Depending on the package that you purchased, you may also have the power output sensor or cadence sensor. This video will focus on getting started with the CS600X without these additional sensors. The CS600X cycling computer has 5 buttons which are really easy to use. The top right button is to scroll up in the menu. The bottom right button is to scroll down in the menu. The button on the face is an OK Start Lap button. The bottom left button is the back exit button, and the top left button is for the light. One thing to remember, no matter where you are in the menu, pressing and holding the back exit button will return you to the main display. When you first take the computer out, hit the OK Start button to activate the display. Start by setting the language you would like to use. Remember, top right goes up, bottom right goes down, and the start will enter when you find the correct language. Once you have the language set, you will be asked to enter some basic settings, and upon completing those settings, the CS600X will take you back to the main display. Installing the speed sensor requires a small Phillips screwdriver, snips, and the included mounting hardware. Start by inserting the speed sensor into the rubber fork mount. Attach the speed sensor and mount to the front fork with the zip ties as shown. At first, do not tighten the zip ties completely. Next, slide the magnet onto your spoke and tighten the screw. Now you can align the spoke magnet and the sensor. Position the magnet as shown, with a maximum distance of 4 millimeters between the sensor and the magnet. When you achieve the optimum distance, you will see an LED light flash as the magnet is passed over the sensor. You can now tighten the zip ties and cut the excess material. For a deeper look into the sensor installation for the speed sensor, bike mount, and optional cadence sensor, visit the CS600X product support pages at polarusa.com/support. Now you are ready to start training. Start by wetting the electrodes on the strap. Put the transmitter strap on and attach the transmitter. From the main display on the cycling computer, hit the OK Start button once. When the unit detects your heart rate, you are ready to go. The CS600X will automatically start recording when you start riding. During the ride, you have a few different screens to view. Scroll with the top or bottom right buttons to navigate through each view. During your ride, if you stop for any reason, the CS600 will detect that you are not moving and pause the recording. When you start moving again, the computer will automatically start. To time or record a lap at any time, press the button on the face. And when you are finished with your ride and would like to stop the recording, press the back button twice. After your ride, a full summary of your session is saved in your data view, along with up to 99 of your last exercise sessions. To view any of your previous rides, scroll with the top or bottom right buttons from the main display to find the File menu and hit the OK button to enter. For long-term storage and to deeper analyze the data from your ride, use the included I.R.D.A. adapter to download wirelessly to the ProTrainer 5 software. For a comprehensive look at the Polar ProTrainer 5 software, visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/polarusa. For information on installing and using the I.R.D.A. USB adapter, visit polarusa.com/support. So what are your next steps? First, register your new Polar at polarusa.com and sign up for the Polar newsletter so we can keep improving our products and you can keep up to date with everything Polar. Second, while on PolarUSA.com, also check out the Training with Polar section for resources that will give you the guidance and motivation you need to help you achieve your goal. And third, if you have any questions, remember that we are here to help. Connect with us through Facebook, Twitter, or by clicking on the Support tab on PolarUSA.com. Welcome to the Polar community, and we look forward to being your training partner.